Muscles him up. Combination. Another jackhammer. 1, 2, hit.
Mysterio over Guerrero has to make him the #1 contender to the cruiserweight.
Hands up. Big jackhammer. Goodness. Could be that suplex slam we've seen. He put it on ropes. Oh, can he have? Look at this power. And has the jackhammer.
That's phase 1.
High. Way up. One arm.
Oh, yeah.
Goldberg up. The jackhammer. Oh, my.
He's got it.
Oh, my God. Back, but it's awesome.
Jackhammer time.
Here comes. That's the jackhammer.
That's phase 1. It completes it. The power slam.
Fought through this onslaught by Rigo.
Right on the jackhammer.
Incredible. Incredible. Has him up. Goldberg up. The jackhammer. It's Goldberg. Picks up Darso. Jackhammer.
Oh, yeah.
It's going for it right now.
No.
And up. Jackhammer. Up. And down. Jackhammer and down. And guess what? Going way down. Saving everyone. Oh my. He's got it. Section. Oh my God. Whoa. That's a look at this. Spear leads the jackhammer.
To Goldberg, and Goldberg has got Rodney Mack up.
I'm gonna sting, and it's coming down.
He hits the spear, and now
Is it? Oh, baby. Full of faith.
They're revving up the engines as Goldberg revs up the move. There it is. There it is.
on the bloody champion. Triple H is up. Will it be?
Has him up.
Don't look, Dave. Don't look.
He can't look.
He's 350 pounds. Jamal is.
Oh no.
And the jackhammer slam is in. Oh, baby. Jackhammer.
Here, got him out. Oh, yeah, it is. Muscles him up.
Don't leave him, Mark.
God!
Night, night.
And down he goes.
Think of it. Look at Star up. One arm. Here comes on.
He looks at my God. Look at that. They do it.
Like the biggest athlete in pro sports is out.
Here comes the jackhammer. Here's Goldberg. Picks up Darso. Jackhammer time.
Oh, yeah.
And what's it right now? Look at this.
Oh, the Rock is watching, King.
Getting a glimpse of Goldberg here in Australia. And he's wasting no time.
This is it.
He's still got the helmet on. He's got his garb on. Oh, look at this. This is things like Jackhammer. The Goldberg. And now spear. And now jackhammer. Down.
Jackhammer. Look at this. They're just toying with him.
He's running him across. He's going up for the jackhammer.
Can't do this.
Jackhammer.
In that right shoulder. And he's done. Jackhammer.
Like Kevin Nash.
We got you one tag team.
Can't stop him.
I'm gonna sting. And he's coming down.
Have to wait long.
For the jackhammer.
They're just toying with him.
He's running him across. Goldberg, look at this. Manhandling. It's over. Oh, she wrote.
Call it. Don't look, Dave. Don't look.
Could be the next heavyweight.
And down.
Step one.
Yes, sir.
There's the power control.
And he may have the jackhammer on here. Let's see. Yes, he does. And again. Yes.
Jackhammer time.
He has fought through this onslaught by Rigo.
Biggest athlete in pro sports is out.
He's going to jackhammer this man too.
And we're going to have a new champion.
Wait a minute, did the...
Out of the tongue and death grip. Into the jackhammer.
Here's step one.
Yes, sir. Going way down. He's going to put him in a jackhammer.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say 141 right.
Jump right to the temple. Oh, look at this. Look at the swing.
Picks him up like a hydraulic jet. Yes, he can.
Here we go.
And yes, he does. Goldberg revs up the move. There it is. There it is. Oh, Alex tried.
Jackhammer.
Gonna get a jackhammer from Bill Goldberg. From the spear to the jackhammer.
By Mysterio over Guerrero has to make him the #1 contender to the Cruiserweight title.
Goodbye, lightning foot.
There it goes. And he got it. Luger's been wasted. Up. Down. Reeves coming the ring. And he did. And stay with us here. We did remember the NWO running out.
There. Oh, my. He did it.
Goldberg blocks it wide. Vertical base. Well,
Yeah, it really does.
yeah, forget about it. It's jackhammer time on me.
Tell me what happens.
One. Out of the tongue and death grip. Into the jackhammer. Holds him up for a long time. And then a jackhammer. Oh, yeah. Top Glacier may have him for the jackhammer. Up and yes. Combination. Goodbye.
It shows you how deadly Goldberg is. Of course he can.
Jackhammer City. Be that suplex slam we've seen. He put it on roadblock, just on map. Spear leads to jackhammer. Right now, because he's in the midst of a jackhammer. One hand. Oh! Looks like we're gonna have to wait long for the jackhammer. He got it. Way up. Look at this.
Fighting machine here, and Goldberg, look at the strength. It's a jackhammer.
This is after the fact, but it's awesome.
Jackhammer time.
Here comes. Up and down. Here, look out. Long, he holds him up. Way up.
You're right, Renegade. It's not going to take long.
Jackhammer Goldberg.
Human being, every beating heart in sight.
And there he goes.
Really, they should surrender. They're used to that. Go for the power. Goldberg with a single spear. Goodbye, lightning foot. And unfortunately for Steven Richards, he's on the fingertips. Jackhammer. Goldberg making a think about it. One arm.
To the top. And up. Jackhammer. Arena.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say 141 right here.
He's got to stay focused here on Raven.
big spear over the rope. Here he goes again. Another man.
He's going there, Weeze. Up. Face of man, and watch this.
Here comes over 300 pounds. The Jackhammer. Oh, get him.
Oh, I win again.
All right. Let's see if Goldberg can. He
ran Stevie Ray over, picked him up.
Jackhammer.
got the Jackhammer.
Nice.
And why not a Jackhammer? Goldberg's putting it down.
He is cleaning house.
Right straight to the line.
Goldberg hooking up Jericho. Got him up. And Jackhammer.